Thank you for choosing Hitachi air compressors. Compressors must always operate stably. They are so important that they are called the heart of the factory. To use the compressor correctly and efficiently, it is necessary to carry out regular maintenance. Lack of maintenance can cause problems in the operation of your business. The purpose of this video is not only for on-site equipment managers, but also for managers and owners to understand the importance of maintenance in an easy-to-understand manner so that such situations do not occur. Today, we will introduce the role and importance of Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil. First, let's take a look at the role of the oil in the air compressor. In the oil-flooded screw compressor, the male and female screw rotors rotate while being in contact with each other in the air end to compress the air, and at this time, they are lubricated with oil. The oil not only seals the gap between the rotors to compress the air efficiently, but also cools the compressed air that has reached a high temperature. This diagram shows the flow of oil in the compressor. The oil that has exchanged heat with the compressed air is discharged from the air end together with the compressed air, but most of it is separated into compressed air and oil in the oil case. The oil accumulated in the oil case is cooled by the oil cooler, and after the impurities are separated by the oil filter, it returns to the air end and exchanges heat with the air that is being compressed again. On the other hand, the oil contained in the compressed air that remains without being separated in the oil case returns to the air end after being separated from the air in the oil separator. Since high-temperature, high-pressure air always passes through the path of such oil-flooded screw compressors, the oil is exposed to high-temperature, high-pressure air and is prone to deterioration. If you use oil that is prone to oxidative deterioration, it will generate a black deteriorated product called sludge, which will adhere to the oil separator element and block the passage of compressed air. Such clogging prevents the air from passing through the element well, causing pressure loss and not being able to obtain the required discharge air. This not only causes an increase in power consumption, but also increases the load on the entire machine as the compressor continues to operate to generate the required discharge pressure. As a result, the temperature inside the compressor rises, causing the machine to sound an alarm and stop, affecting the production line. So, be careful. Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil has higher oxidation stability than general oil, and sludge is less likely to occur, making clogging less likely. In addition, the Hitachi High Screw Next 2 series adopts rapid air release control that shortens the air release time during unloading and restart waiting time, and suppresses the pressure drop when the load fluctuation increases after the compressor stops. Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil is developed to suppress the foaming that occurs when the pressure drops rapidly to support this function. Conversely, if a will-fit oil of uncertain quality is used, a foaming phenomenon may occur after the air compressor stops operating, and a large amount of oil may be consumed. Plus, when the operation time is 6,000 hours or less, the life of general mineral oil is 3,000 hours or half a year. But Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil is designed to have a long life of 12,000 hours or 2 years. We at Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems have set a goal of achieving carbon neutrality by fiscal 2050, aiming for a decarbonized society. As a result of this pursuit, we succeeded in increasing the oxidation stability to prevent deterioration due to oxidation compared to conventional products, and succeeded in extending the oil change cycle to a long life of 2 years. By using Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil, you can operate your business reliably and efficiently while being considerate of the environment. Please use Hitachi Genuine Synthetic Oil from the viewpoint of compressor performance and cost.